Times is hard, but I know we gon' make it. Homie lost his heart, that's real pain, no faking. I remember hard times in the ghetto. Them the hardest memories to let go. Just to let you know, I want us all to blow. I remember a pistol to my tempo, made me wanna go and get 10 posts. Had to change the tempo, but it could have been so fucking simple. I got memories of seeing a lot of currency. Currently bouncing back to keep it view a century. Always with my young G's, TJ and Ty G. I remember being down bad, like why me? When you struggle harder, you gotta hustle smarter. Always remember the gems of your father. I just want the knowledge, money, and the power. Haters trying to bring me down like the towers. Do you remember them cold winters in December? From a jungle baby like Simba. From Cleveland where they really shooting babies. RIP, this world really crazy. Death show no love but take your breath away. From Cleveland, the home of the first 48. From Cleveland where hustling the only mind state. From Cleveland where they call the land around the way. Hey, I got memories of seeing a lot of enemies. Why these enemies acting like they friends of me? Why these enemies dreaming of killing me? Why these enemies wanna see the enemy? Before I started, I could feel myself departing. All the hard times make your heart harden. RP Josh, why they charge inside your apartment? I heard the story, but the death part wasn't meant. RP T-Man too. You died when my niece is only 2. Now my nephew grew. That's a miracle, it's you. That's your junior. Yeah. RP Tay-Two. I miss you, dude. Wish I can take them bullets out and fix you, dude. But ain't no coming back. That's why your memories in my raps. Man, Cleveland, what's poppin', man? You already know I'm out here on the dream, chasing it. I ain't never gonna stop until I'm at the top. You already know I'm gonna be great. That's my fate, man. I'm out of here. KQ.